Just moved into this place. I don't know where everything is. I can't find the second fucking fire alarm. Keeps making some kind of noise. Wish I could find that thing and pull the batteries out. Stop the noise, oh no. I don't think I'm gonna sleep that good tonight. Turn the fucking battery off. Is it in my place? Is it in your face? Where's the damn fire alarm? Can't find that squeaky fucking noise and take the batteries out. Gonna be up all night long looking for the damn fire alarm. Can't find the fire alarm. Wish I could find a thing and take the batteries out so I can get some sleep.